So I'm here at Costco picking up a few things, and I thought while I'm out here, I would share with you some of the sale items that I'm seeing that might be worth as a gift for yourself or for somebody this holiday season. So let's check them out. So let's start with the Polaroid camera. Everybody loved the Polaroid camera. Now that we have the Polaroid Now Generation 2 camera bundle. How awesome is that? You get the old film. It's $119.99. This is definitely brings back memories and going away from a little digital and having a little fun with the Polaroid camera. If you're thinking about wanting to get headphones for yourself or a loved one or even earbuds, they have a sale, $199.99 for the QuietComfort SC headphones, and for the QuietComfort Ultra earbuds, normally $299, and it's at $70 instant rebate for $229.99, and those are for the QuietComfort Ultra earbuds. This looks like a great deal for a 70-inch TV. It's 4K UHD LED LCD TV. It's $479.99. This one has a 3-year manufacturer's warranty, and great deal. So if you are looking for a TV, can't beat the price. You get yourself a nice TV, nice size screen, interesting base that they have on there with those small legs, but there you go. Samsung TV at a good price. If you are looking for a new iPad or wanting to get someone an iPad, they're having some great sales, as you can see here. They got a 10.2-inch screen, 9th edition for $199.99. We've got 10.2-inch, that's 64 gigabytes. The 256 is $329.99. Wow, great price there. We've got the 10th generation for $299.99, 64 gigabytes, and the 256 is $449.99. Then we have the 11-inch 256, $799.99. And the 13-inch we've got on sale for 256 gigabytes for $1189.99. We have the iPad Pro 11, 256 gigabytes with the M4 chip, $899.99. And the other one is the iPad Air 13 M2 256 for $799.99 on sale. So quite a sale selection on the iPads here at Costco. Next, we got the Frigidaire Gallery. This is an ice maker. It can make 44 pounds in 24 hours. It won the CES award. Normally $199.99, $30 manufacturer's instant rebate. This is the unit. It's got this touchscreen display. You've got this pull-out tray where the ice falls into. We got this stainless steel scooper. It's got a tray if it drips. So it's a nice looking unit and works on the power, as you can see there. And this is great if you do entertaining and having an additional ice maker that can make ice nice and quick for you. So it can make 44 pounds in 24 hours. There you go. And it is nugget shaped ice cubes. So check it out. The Frigidaire Gallery Ice Maker, $169.99 with a rebate. I know I shared it in my last video, but want to share it again. The heat dish is definitely a purchase you need to make if you live in a cold environment. It's $79.99, so no special pricing on it, but this one does tilt. If you have one of the older ones like I have that doesn't tilt, I have not found my electricity bills gone up with it, and it feels so good as this goes directly on your body. So definitely consider getting the Presto dish. It is the Presto heat dish. You will love it. A great gift, and you'll be very happy when this thing is on and it's a cold day, or especially in the evening. If you're going to do any cooking over the holidays, maybe the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer, 10-quart capacity might be a nice way to go. And this is the unit here. Nice looking unit, and it's normally $149.99 minus $30 instant rebate. So check that out. The Ninja Foodi XL 2-basket air fryer. Who is ready to roast some marshmallows and chocolate and make a s'mores? Look at that. This is a Sharper Image s'mores maker. I used to love going to the Sharper Image store. They always have and had the coolest products. And here we go. It's $19.99 minus $5 instant rebate. Wow, it's only $14.99. That is really cool, and this is great if you want to have and do some entertaining, maybe even if you want to enjoy it at home. So check that out, the Sharper Image S'mores Maker. Wow, pretty affordable there. Next we have the Cuisinart 12-cup die-cast food processor, $50 off, $149.99 after rebate. So you can slice, shred, chop, emulsify, puree, and knead. And it is a nice unit, comes with these accessories. There you go. So check that out. That's a nice price if maybe you're looking for a Cuisinart. If you are looking for a larger tumbler, $17.99, $5 off, instant rebate. This is the Simple Modern 40-ounce Trek tumbler, and just looking at it, it does have a straw. Comes in several colors, as you can see. And then we have over here, we've got the Aspen tumbler, 2-pack, $15.99. So you got a couple of nice options. And you can see these also have the straw. So we've got some fun colors. So there you go. There's a couple of nice options on sale. So while this is not on sale, this is pretty cool for lights for your house if you want to decorate for the holidays. And this is the Govee Moments 150-foot smart string lights, $319.99, and looks like a really nice high quality product if you are looking for something like that. And it mentions the Wi-Fi, and I guess it has an app. That is very, very cool. So you got a house, want to light things up, there you go. Maybe you can even do your apartment building if you live in an apartment complex. If you're looking for a bidet toilet seat, $349.99 minus instant $50 rebate. There you go. Look at all these settings you can do on here. Wow, this thing's pretty fancy. I went to a resort in Mexico a couple years back, and actually maybe it was 3 or 4 years ago, but they had a heated toilet seat, which, oh, this one does. This has a heated seat, and I'll tell you what, that is awesome. If it's got a heated seat, that is fantastic. So check this out, and there you go. It's on sale for $299.99. With the winter here, and we're gonna have some cold days ahead, we've got this infrared stove heater, which looks very cool, and it is on sale for $99.99. So it's normally $124.99 minus $25 rebate, so $99.99. And this looks pretty awesome. Got the remote control, nice looking unit, fits well in a living room setting and warms you up. So check that heater out, fantastic. This is not on sale, but ice baths have become very popular. This is the Saluspace. It's $199.99, 60 by 36 by 28, and the water capacity is 11 gallons. So if you are looking for doing an ice bath, which I'm tempted to do it, but I'm a little chicken, I think, to go into that cold water. Nonetheless, this is one that they have here at Costco. Check it out today. If you're looking for a gaming chair, this chair is on sale for $129.99, $20 instant rebate. This is the Centurion gaming office chair, and you can see got some adjustments on multiple places, multi-directional lumbar movement, push button height adjustable headrest, infinite locking position. So got a lot of different options that you can do with this chair. And I'm not into gaming, but looks like a pretty good chair. It looks like it has some nice padding there, and something that you can get into gaming. If you know somebody that's into gaming, this might be a nice gift for them. $129.99. So this looks kind of fun. If you're looking for what they call the Wayy Big Hoodie, not on sale, but $19.99, and feels like it's awfully soft. You can see it comes in the gray and also the navy, and one size fits most. So check that out, the Wayy Big Hoodie unisex. If you are looking to get a Nutribullet, this is a nice option if you need this many cups. It's normally $119.99 minus $30 rebate for $89.99, and looks like a nice unit. and they call it the Nutribullet Ultra, the next generation, 1200 watts, 32 ounce cup capacity, tried and renew. So there you go, check that out. That is the Nutribullet Ultra Deluxe single server blender. Being in Costco, it's only appropriate to talk about their membership, and here is a promo which you get a free bag, $65 for the Costco Gold Star gift membership for 1 year. That's a nice way to go. And another option, which is great even for yourself, if you go to TopGolf, which is a fun place. It's expensive, but you could see it's $100 for two $50 gift cards, but you can get them for $79.99. So if you go, you could save yourself about $20. If you are planning to have company this holiday season, we got the Sealy. This is the Queen airbed with headboard and removable duvet. Normally $129.99, instant $30 rebate. So there you go. Nice option for a sleeping air mattress. These certainly have gotten so much better over the years, and there you go, $99.99. Check it out today. Next up, we've got the patio heater. This is the FireSense patio heater. It's a 46,000 BTU output, black finish. It even shows you can put your drinks on here, so you can enjoy that heat. Price is $99.99 with a $30 instant rebate. So normally $129.99, but you can get it for $99.99, and you can keep warm on your patio. So I happened to be walking by this cooler bag and checking it out. It's a really nice cooler bag. It's only $10.99. It is by the pet section, at least here in my Costco, and it's really nice. So if you are looking for a bag cooler, definitely check this one out. And there you go. Nice one.